Every time we talk about gadgets, ang pinag-uusapan po natin, mobile phone, tablets. But rarely do we talk about accessories. So today on InfoChat, ang pag-uusapan po natin about speakers. Ano ba ang dapat nating malaman pagdating po sa mga speakers? So today we invited the product trainer of Beyond the Box, Mr. Rafi Colico. Rafi, welcome to InfoChat.
Wow, thank you, Jerry. Thanks for having me here in InfoChat.
So today, Rafi here actually prepared two, no? Dalawang speakers ang prepare mo. Isang Braven ba?
Yes,
no?
it's a Braven.
Oh, tapos isa Sound Freak, tama ba?
Correct.
Okay, so unahin natin yung Braven. Ano ba yung parang special dito sa Braven na to?
What's good with the Braven BRVX is that ano siya, multi-function na speaker siya. And it's designed for those people na mahilig mag-outdoor activities. Okay, bakit ganun? Kasi weatherproof siya eh.
Ah, okay.
And at the same time, pwede kang, yung mga phones mo, pag nalobat ka, pwede mong gamitin yan as power bank.
Oh, okay.
Diba? Yun ang maganda
Ito pwede ko gamitin.
Yes,
as,
definitely.
Okay.
Tapos may shockproof pa siya. So pag nahulog mo siya, walang problema.
Walang problema. So, ibig sabihin, outdoor, umuulan, umaaraw, pwede ko siya gamitin?
Definitely.
Oh.
Even sa yes, correct. So even pag nagsiswimming ka, so may mas splashan siya ng water, walang problema doon.
So kahit saan pwede ka mag-party?
Oo naman, party lahat eh.
Tapos, meron ba siyang, ano pa yung special function? Like for example, may Bluetooth ba siya? Connectivity or what? Ano
Yes,
meron siya?
Pwede mo siyang gamitin as Bluetooth. Okay, pwede mong gamitin din yung line.
Okay.
Line in for mga auxiliary.
Okay.
Just in case na wala kang Bluetooth.
Okay, so iniisip ko lang yung setup, no? Let's say party, di ba?
Yes.
So marami tayong kanya-kanyang phones, di ba?
Correct.
So pwede kami, let's say phone ko, pwede kong i-play. Later on, ikaw naman mag-play yung playlist mo, pwede mo ipatugtugin
Oh
doon.
yes, pwede gayon. Kasi yung Braven natin, hanggang 8 yan na device pwedeng kumonek.
8.
Pero syempre, one at a time lang.
Yes. So, yun yung Braven. Tapos dito naman tayo sa Sound Freak. Okay yung name, no? Sound
Yeah,
Freak.
Sound
Okay. So, ano namang special dito sa speaker na Sound Freak na to?
Ang maganda naman kasi kay Sound Freak naman, just in case ikaw mahilig ka yung tipong pagising mo ng umaga nagpapatugtog ka ng radyo.
Okay.
So ito may alarm clock to.
Okay.
So yung alarm clock niya, yung sound doon, pwedeng yung music mo ang gamitin.
Okay.
And at the same time, pag matutulog ka na, pinapampatulog mo yung music, yan, pwede rin yun.
Okay.
Kasi may automatic shut off yan just in case na makatulugan mo talaga yung pinapakinggan mo.
But still, yung doon pa rin sa device.
Yes, correct.
Yung music na sa device, dito lang nagpi-play.
And at the same time, what's good with that is that pwede siyang gamitin as FM. So may FM siya.
FM radio?
Yes, correct. May FM radio siya.
So may built-in radio siya?
Correct.
Okay. So pwede kang mag-radio o pwedeng yung music mo, yung playlist mo sa phone, i-play mo dito.
Yes,
pwede din. Okay. But in as far as yung yung sound quality is concerned, kamusta naman yung quality ng sound?
Yung sound quality ng Sound Freak, walang problema dyan. Kasi talagang ma-enjoy mo talaga. Magiging crispier yung music mo.
So, is there anything else you want to add with regards to speakers? Mga tips mo sa mga viewers natin kung ano pa ba yung ibang dapat nilang alamin pag bibili sila ng speakers?
Alright. So, ang tip ko lang naman sa mga customers out there na kapag gusto nilang bumili ng mga speakers, huwag silang matakot na mag-test. Kasi with testing kasi, madali nating makita at malalaman natin kung ano talaga yung quality ng sound ng speaker na yon.
If they want to, of course, try the speakers, they can visit yung branch ng Beyond the Box. Pakisabi naman, saan ba yung mga branches ng Beyond the Box?
Okay. So, walang problema. Punta lang kayo sa amin. We have like 10 different branches here in the Philippines. Tapos, coming up, yung Guam, BTB Guam.
Wow.
Okay, so we're looking forward to that. Okay, just go here. Okay, enjoy the music. I-test nyo lahat ng speakers dito. Okay, and we are more than happy to assist you.
Thank you very much, Rafi, for joining us. Makakasama ka namin ulit for other episodes, ha? Huwag kang mawawala.
Sige, dito lang ako.
For more features, visit our website, www.webtvn.net. And you can also like our Facebook page, www.facebook.com/webtvnetwork. And you can also follow our Twitter page, WebTVN, or twitter.com/webtvn. Thank you for watching. God bless.